Next, you're gonna spread out this mince, or we call it here in America ground beef. You call it back home in Fiji a mince. Mince is bring from the Latin word minciato. Minciato means a crushed meat partly put together commercially to attain sustainably that produce the meat into pieces that call it curry pieces. Once you divide it equally and tenderly, nicely, it will approximately make you feel better. So you know that when you're gonna turn it, it will absolutely totally cook every part of it. Now you can see this is tenderly brown. As tenderly brown. What we're gonna do? I'm gonna start adding all the small flavor ingredients. We'll start off with black pepper. Black pepper is the wonderful herbs that you only find in the interior of Amazon, and it's transported down to India and they produce in Afghanistan. And after that, you put a little bit basil leaves or basil, or anyway you say it, same tomato, potato, generator, vibrator, it's all the same, you know, it sounds familiar as long as you know what you're saying. But don't unnecessarily saying anything stupidity. Yeah, once you add that, you add a little bit of ground ginger, because the ground ginger will heat up your intestine and it will make you feel hot at night. And that's where that song comes from. Feeling hot, hot, hot. Are feeling hot, hot, hot. Are yeah, once you mix it nicely throughoutly and intentionally, outsidely and interpretedly, then what you'll do next, you'll get the what we call this classico French garlic and onion flavor, pre-roasted tomato and garlic. You take the whole bottle, you pour it in here to make it look extraordinarily, outstandingly, outspokenly, correspondingly, plentifully, must be related to Jet Li and Bruce Lee. Then you mix it throughoutly. It's very hot in here. It's like we in the microwave itself. Make it throughoutly, then you wait for it to boil. To see it is boiled and it's mixed nicely. So this is be one wonderful flavor food. And you will figure out it's boiling. Okay, it's boiling. You open the pot, you stir, and you put from maximum degrees to minimum degrees to make the coal hot coal. Accidentally, unfortunately, pressed the wrong button. Anyway, today is a very nice day. Indeed, it made me possibly. So there you see, that's the langers with plenty of water. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna on my tape, alright? On my tape, put out the water. In America they call it water. Water. In the English dictionary, Oxford, we call it water. I'm gonna pour out the oil. Right. Once you pour out the oil, put it back, let it melangers a little bit more. Now you can see this is tenderly brown. As tenderly brown. What we're gonna do, I'm gonna start adding all the small flavor ingredients. We'll start off with Black pepper. Black pepper is the wonderful herbs that you only find in the interior of Amazon, and it's transported down to India and they produce in Afghanistan. Then after that, you put a little bit basil leaves or basil, or any way you say it. Same tomato, potato, generator, vibrator. It's all the same, you know. It sounds familiar as long as you know what you're saying. But don't unnecessarily saying anything stupidity. Yeah, once you add that, you add a little bit of ground ginger, because the ground ginger will heat up your intestine and it will make you feel hot at night. And that's where that song comes from. Feeling hot, hot, hot. Sorry. Feeling hot, hot, hot. Sorry. Yeah, once you mix it nicely throughoutly and intentionally, outsidely and interpretedly, then what you do next, you'll get the what we call this classico, French garlic and onion flavor, free roasted tomato and garlic. You take the whole bottle, you pour it in here to make it look extraordinarily, outstandingly, outspokenly, correspondingly, plentifully, must be related to Jet Li and Bruce Lee. Then you mix it thoroughly. It's very hot in here. It's like we in the microwave itself. Make it thoroughly, then you wait for it to boil. To see it is boiled and it's mixed nicely. So this is be one wonderful flavor food. Now we're gonna stir this to make it more softly and tenderly, that you know that it's drinking up all the water. Also the water is evaporating very fast. Now you see that it's mixed nicely, thoroughly, tenderly and exploratory. So we'll wait for the final Discovery Channel. Next step you're gonna bring out your salad. Alright, first you put your salad there separately to anybody else. Then you look for something to go with the salad. Oh, this is good. Make your salad taste nice and yummish. And this one too is one other one. So I'm gonna mix this all up together as one. And a little bit of olive oil. Alright. It's actually it's olive, but it's part-timely I don't know, avocado, organic. Let you know when our next corresponding move is gonna be. Ignore the flying saucer outside. King it. Put all my vegetable in here. Add a little bit of sweet white onion and canned steakhouse. So here we go. You see, I already put it in the plate. So what I'm gonna do with this empty space, I'm gonna put the salad. This is the salad I was fixing earlier. I've mixed it throughoutly nicely and tenderly and expectedly. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pour it now. Take the knife, put it by the side. There it is, your favorite Perspiti Pupato Mercado.